Okay, begin with 4 rashers of streaky bacon. Cook on a medium heat. Allow the bacon to cook and to generate the bacon fat. This helps to deep fry the bacon a bit more crispy. Okay, when I've removed the bacon, drain the bacon fat to save for later. Okay, throw in the baby spinach. Not for long, just till it wilts. And then remove, set aside. Okay. Mozzarella cheese. Spinach. Bacon, tomato, and I use the spicy Gouda cheese, salt, pepper, and fold and press. On a low heat. Throw in the bacon fat. Cook on one side very quickly, then you need to turn it. And to turn regularly and keep an eye on it, because if you don't, what'll happen is you'll burn it. Watch. Yuck. Second time was a success. And I used an avocado dip. This brand is the one I found in the supermarket. It was very yummy. I was very happy with the result. I hope you enjoy it.